Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, mag-haul tayo guys. Ito, so far, yung mga nabili namin sa New York. And I figured, gagawin ko na yung haul. Hindi ko na hihintayin na matapos yung America trip namin kasi baka magkagulo-gulo na and hindi ko na malaman kung saan ko siya nabili. Yung iba, nakita nyo na sa vlogs ko. If you haven't watched the vlogs yet, meron ako actually USA or America trip 2018 na playlist. I will do my best to leave the link of that playlist in the description box. Pero yeah, yung iba dito na suot ko na, like what I am wearing now, which actually I will start with it. Ito I got from Forever 21. It says New York City 1991. Gusto ko yung kulay niya, very simple lang niya tingnan. Mahaba din siya guys, so it stops right there. Ito next from Sephora. We went to Sephora twice. Hindi ako mabili ng makeup na guys masyado. Kasi yung mga binibili ko talaga is yung mga kailangan ko talaga. Ito naubos na yung akin, so I got the Benefit Gimme Brow Eyebrow Gel. This is the shade number 4. Now, hindi ko na maalala kung anong shade yung una ko kasi parang hindi ko ata siya dala. But yeah, I got that. Mahal pala to guys. $27 ata to. And because it is my birthday month when I got this, meron akong free na Glam Glow Hello Sexy pack. So, meron tayong Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, Super Matte Clearing Treatment na mask. So, nagamit ko na to actually, ito at saka yung ito. And so far, okay naman siya. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit ng bonggang-bongga para masabi ko talaga kung ano yung thoughts ko about it. But yeah, it is a good gift. Ito yung first trip namin sa Sephora. This is the Sephora Favorites Party Hair Styling Spray Collection. Alam nyo naman, sobrang nipis ng buhok ko, as in sobra, and kailangan talaga siya ng volume. Wala akong ka-volume sa buhok. So, I decided to get this kasi nandito na lahat. Hindi naman lahat, pero it has 6 na good size actually ng mga volumizing spray. Gusto kong gamitin to lahat within this trip para alam ko kung ano talaga yung gusto ko for me to buy the full size. Anyway, it comes with a living proof dry volume blast. I've used this and okay lang siya. Hindi siya like super favorite ko. Sa tatlong nagamit ko, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko and it smells so good. This is the IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. Siya yung pinakamabango and I really like na malaki din yung sample size niya. Even the living proof, it's big. And then the third one na I've used, the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. This is what I have on my hair now and yesterday kasi hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. Sa tatlong nagamit ko, ito yung pinaka-least favorite ko. It is very hard to spray as well. Yung nozzle niya, hindi siya ganun kadali i-spray. It's OUAI. Ganyan siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano mo ito i-pronounce. But it is their texturing hair spray. Hindi ko pa yung nagamit. I should use that next time. Triple Sec 3-in-1. Texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes. It's the Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Dry Spun Finish. So I can't wait to use that one as well. I've heard a lot of good things about Bumble and Bumble. The retail value is $78, but because I got the set, it is $35 for everything. And with that purchase, I also got another birthday freebie guys. Beauty Insider na Bite Kit naman. This looks like a full size. So it's a Bite lipstick. Ang ganda ng shade niya guys. Oh, in the shade Glaze. It comes with this agave lip balm and sugar lip scrub as well. So sample size lang siya. Yan. Amuse Bouge lipstick in the shade Shy. That looks really nice as well. Ito, Charlotte Russe. Wala kaming Charlotte Russe sa wala kaming Charlotte Russe sa Australia, guys. I got this scarf. Wala akong ganitong kulay na scarf. And I think it will go with, like, kahit na anong outfit kasi, like, you know, it has the basic colors. Black, cream, gray. Ano tawag dun? Square scarf? Ganyan siya, oh. Para siyang, habol. Actually, pwede mo itong gawing habol. Anong tawag dun sa habol? Ano ba yung habol? Kumot! Kumot. Next up is itong nasa likod. Again, Forever 21. And si Dan, hindi siya nagdala ng coat, hindi siya nagdala ng, like, jacket, guys. Yung mga dala niya lang, mga hoodie, mga jumper. And it is really, really cold here. So, napunta kami ng Forever 21. Wala pa talaga siyang planong bumili. Tigas-tigas ng ulo niya. But we saw this, and he actually really, really liked it. So, we got it. It's pretty thick. It was, I think, $45. Ganyan lang siya. Parang puffer. Tama ba yung tawag ko? Puffer jacket. It's really warm. So, bet na bet niya. Meron siyang hood din. Speaking of Forever 21, we went to Forever 21 again. Meron pa tong mga laman to Forever 21 na bag na to. So, we have this Baker. I think this is from Chinatown. Yes, this is from, oh no, Little Italy. He got the Little Italy shirt. New York. Gusto niya magkaroon ng t-shirt na may Little Italy. And then we've got this black bag. Ito from Little Italy din ata or Chinatown. I think Chinatown. This New York Donald Trump Empire State. This was, how much was this bag?
$6.
$6 only, guys. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga pasalubong or yung mga ganun, punta kayo ng Chinatown. Wag sa Times Square, wag sa Fifth Avenue. Sa Chinatown kasi mas mura, guys. And oh, this one, I'm so excited. Pagka-uwi namin ng Australia, yung pinakaunang gagawin ko is to put our Christmas tree up. Plano namin na every state na pupuntahan namin, bibili kami ng Christmas, what do you call this? What do you call this, bag? Christmas? Ornament. So this one looks like this and it lights up as well, guys. So meron siyang mga maliliit na bulbs dyan. So it was originally $7 each and if you buy two, $10, but we only got one. Tinawadan namin si Kuya, $5 isa. And pumayag naman siya kasi bumili din kami nung, yun nga, yung Donald Trump doon. Ito ibibigay niya sa mama niya. It says, number 1, Mom. I think that was only $2. And this one as well. New York, meron siyang Big Apple. Tapos merong mga building, Empire State. So that was only $2 as well. So kung i-compare mo siya sa mga kung saan-saan lang na mga souvenir shop, that will cost like close to $10 nga yung iba. So kapag sa Chinatown, mura lang siya, guys, $2 each. Ito na talaga yung from Forever 21. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to, guys. Nahihirapan ako maghanap ng boots, lalo na kapag ganito yung length, na maliit yung dito. Kasi nga, maliit yung paa ko, tapos maliit yung, parang dito ba? Yung dito ko. Maliit. So usually, yung dito, sobrang laki niya tingnan na, ang weird niya tingnan sa akin. But this one, hindi siya ganun kalaki. So, nung tinry ko siya, sabi ko, ang ganda niya. Nagamit ko na to siya, guys, once. First few hours, it was really good, really comfy. But, hindi niya kaya yung all-day na lakaran. Over din kasi kami. Grabe din kami naglakad. This was, I think, around $35. I got my sneaker from Skechers. Now, Skechers is a brand na parang hindi ko masyadong tinitingnan masyado. Kaya lang, sobrang sakit na talaga ng paa ko. Naglalakad-lakad kami and uuwi na sana ako kasi hindi ko na kaya, sakit na ng paa ko, tapos nakita namin yung Skechers, so sabi ko, sige, let's stop by. I've been looking for sneakers for this trip for so long, even before we arrived here. Naghahanap-hanap na kami ng sneakers sa Australia. Wala kaming mahanap-hanap. Nung nagpunta kami ng Skechers, parang kinailangan ko, like, kailangan mong maghanap kasi ang sakit na ng paa mo. And I found this. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, this is my Instagram. Nagpo-post ako ng mga OOTD doon. Some of you guys asked me kung ano yung shoes ko, and it is the Skech-Knit. Kasi sabi nila, anong klaseng Skechers po, ate? It says 100% breathable, all-day comfort, and I totally agree. Like, as soon as ito na yung sinuot ko, okay na yung paa ko, and ito na yung suot ko, itong sapatos na yung suot ko, every single day this trip, every single day. Gamit na to, guys, pero binalik ko siya sa box para sa haul na to. So, ganyan siya. Nothing special. And the best thing about this is, meron siyang lace na look sa kanya, but you actually do not have to lace it up every time. Kasi stretch siya dito, oh. So, yung lace design lang yan. Pasok mo yung paa mo dyan. Very, very comfy. As in, very comfy and very, very light. Again, ito na yung suot ko every single day sa trip na to kasi lakad pa more kami. And they were having a deal that if you spend $100, you will get $20 off. And yung shoes na yun, $65 lang. Well, hindi siya lang. Pero $65, so we got a lot of socks. Hindi naman plano namin bumili ng ganun kadaming socks. But because we want to reach the $100 target, napabili kami ng maraming socks, guys. So, mas marami pa dito yung binili namin. Ginamit na nga lang namin yung iba. Pang kids actually to. Alam ko kasi nakasya siya sa akin. So, I got this. This is 6-pack, no-show na socks. And this is very comfortable. As in, I think this was only $12. And then, Dan got this as well. So, no-show din din siya. 3-pack. $12 din. And then, I got this as well. Women's. No, meron siyang black, white, gray. $12 din. And then, Dan also got another 6-pack na no-show din na ginamit na niya lahat. 4 na $12 yung kinailangan naming bilhin kasi the socks were buy one, get the other pack for 50% off. So, parang nga ma-reach namin yung $100 target, kailangan namin siyang damihan. Which, you know, hindi na kami bibili ng socks forever. Meron na kaming socks. We're good. We're good with socks. Uniqlo. So, we went to Uniqlo. Marami kasing mga nagsuggest sa akin na bumili ng heat tech from Uniqlo kasi it does really keep you warm. And totoo talaga, guys. So, I got 2. Ito yung turtlenecks nila. So, I got it in black. $14.49. So, mga $14.50 each. And ganyan lang siya. Very basic na turtleneck. Gusto ko sana kunin yung crew neck. Kaya lang yung extra small nila ang laki. And gusto ko kapag pang-inner siya, like very fitted siya sa akin. Kasi ayoko naman na pang-inner tapos loose, diba? And then, the other color is this. Para siyang, what do you call this color? Parang oatmeal. Oatmeal talaga. May ganun. Para siyang grayish, no? May pagka-brownish. I got a coat from Old Navy, guys. Kasi wala akong dalang coat dito, guys. Dala ko lang is yung parka, tapos, 1 denim jacket, and then 1 like very thin pleather jacket. Yun lang, and wala akong dala-dalang coat. Gusto ko sana dalhin yung coat ko from ASOS kasi yun makapal and warm yun. Ayaw ni Dan. Ayun tuloy. Napabili tuloy ako ng maraming coats. So, this is one of the coats that I got. This is from Old Navy. Again, meron akong mga picture sa Instagram. So, if you guys wanna see it, Instagram right here. It's really nice. Wala akong coat na ganito yung kulay. So, para siyang blush. This is extra small and this was a bit pricey. Hindi kasi siya nakasale. I think $79 for this. But, sabi ko, kailangan ko ng coat. So, I got that one. And then, speaking of coats, this is the very first coat na I got here. And ito yung pinaka-favorite ko din na coat. Like, sa lahat ng coats ko, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. It's from H&M. It looks like this. Very, ano niya tingnan? Parang very businessy. Businessy. I like it. Sobra. Ang ganda din ng kulay niya. And it is the size 0. So, madalang lang ako makakita ng ganyang size sa Australia. I think that is Australia size 2, yung 0. Tama ba ako? Or size 4? Baka 4. Yung double 0 ata yung 2. I think. I'm not sure. Ang ganda niya, guys. Tamang-tama lang din yung ang length niya sa akin. Sa mga maliliit dyan, like maliit na height, tapos petite pa. Kung naghahanap kayo ng coat, hanapin nyo to, guys. Ganito lang yung itsura niya. And hindi din siya ganun kamahal. I think this was $49. So, this is faux. Hindi siya totoong packet. Nandito sa gilid yung packet niya. And hindi siya like super thick. So, it's not like super warm, especially sa New York na fall weather, na parang winter sa Australia. Pero okay lang. Suotin mo yung heat tech sa ilalim from Uniqlo. You're good. This one! Sinuot ko na din to kahapon. This is just a jumper, turtleneck. Marami na akong ganito sa bahay, kaya nga lang hindi ko dinala. This was a bit expensive. Like $39 ata for this. And kailangan ko eh. So, binili ko. This was size small. Yun lang. No, medium. Ay, medium pala to. Yeah, I think pinili ko yung medium para oversize yung look. Kasi kapag small, maikli. Maikli. Ano, ayoko na sobrang ikli. Gusto ko naka-cover yung aking bambang. So, yan. Guys, we love going to TJ Maxx. So, yeah. They have everything. Merong home, mga Christmas decor. Oh my gosh. Anyway, isa lang pala yung binili namin doon. Marami silang mga makeup doon. Kaya nga lang, hindi na kasi ako bumibili masyado ng makeup. Binibili ko lang yung mga kailangan ko talaga. But we got this. So, it's a laptop bag for Danny Boy. Oh no, may laman siya. Oh yeah, may laman. Oh babe. Ah, yes. Ito, laptop bag ni Dan. Kasi yung port power niya na laptop bag, ano daw, pasira na. This is from Ben Sherman. Danny, how much did you pay for this? 45? How much?
No.
How much? 39? 29?
Nah.
How much?
I don't know. How much would I have paid?
Makareact sad ka. Uy, what ka ba? It was originally $180, guys. $39.99. See, I was close. And meron siyang laman sa loob. Guys, alam niyo naman ako and my mask. So I had to get mask. Kahit na ang dami ko pang mask sa bahay na kailangan ko gamitin kasi mag-expire na yung iba. But I just can't help it. This is from Kina Cosmetics Ceramide Face Mask. It is a 10-pack and this was only $5.99. refining quinoa face mask. 10-pack din siya. And it was same. $5.99 only. Travel on adapter set. Only $7.99. Okay, malapit na tayo matapos mga kaibigan. Last one. This is actually the latest purchase. We got this just yesterday sa Marshalls. Yes. I got another coat, people. I have been looking for this print for so long. Gusto ko ng coat na ganito yung print. Houndstooth ata yung tawag sa print na to. And I found it there sa Marshalls. So this one is from BCD Generation. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. It is the size extra small. So I was so happy when I tried it on. I was like, oh my gosh, it fits me. $69.99. So $70. Tamang-tama din yung length niya sa akin. I think it's like petite talaga. So bongga. More from Marshalls. Dan got this. This is only $5.99. So, panglaro siya, guys. So, kapag tayo mga inday ng Christmas party, alam na ang laro natin. Oh! A record! So, nagpunta kami sa isa sa mga market kahapon. And, alam niyo naman si Dan at saka yung mga records niya na hindi niya naman piniplay. Barry White siya, guys. $12. And yeah, it looks cool. Gold siya. By the way, guys, on my lips is the Black Rouge na lipstick. Shade 02. I have been loving this lipstick, guys. I have been using it non-stop sa trip na to. If you guys are interested, i-leave ko yung link ng shop ko below. Yeah, marami pa silang shade na pagpipilian, but it's one of my favorite shades. 02. And, what do you think of your record? It's cool? That is it for this haul, guys. Sobrang thank you for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one, which will be our Vegas vlogs. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Mwah. Be good.